Hi, I'm Donna with Xopax, and today I want to show you how to wrap video game cases. I have a couple styles here, and I want to point out that this front one on the blue case is actually the same size as a Blu-ray case. So if this is the size that you're wrapping, you could order a Blu-ray sized film roll off of our website. The one in back is a little bit taller, and that's actually the same size as a standard DVD case. So if this is the product you're wrapping, you could order our DVD sized roll off the website. Today I'm going to show you on this size how to wrap. We're using a PXC12 today. I've got it outfitted with an optional accessory bar and our tear tape accessory. I'm using a gold tear tape. You also have the option of choosing clear. I like gold for the camera, it shows up a lot better. I'm going to quickly wrap this one, and then what we'll do is slow it way down, and I'll show you step by step just what I'm doing. So real quickly, I'm just centering this, making sure it's on the fork. Do the ends very quickly. And there you have it. Let me slow that way down now for you. When we wrap, we want to keep the piece that has the seal on it facing up. So I'm going to center it on my film, and when I pull this up and over, you'll see that I have about the same amount of clear film hanging over each side. This portion here, I want it to be about the depth of the case is the amount of hangover. So I'm going to move my thumbs down. I don't want to hold it up here, so moving my thumbs down, I'm going to pull it out. Now notice where my fingers are. We want our fingers to be on the outside. So I'm just going to take a quick moment here and move my fingers outside the film. And once I've got that, you can see I can adjust it very simply. So I'm going to make sure I'm centered. I'm going to make sure I have the right overlaps, make sure my thumbs are down and my fingers are out of the way. And now I'm going to use my index fingers to fold that over and then slide my fingers out of the way. You'll notice this front edge of the box I'm tipping down because as I come across the heat, I want that to be lower. And I'm also taking a moment to make sure that the tear strip is centered on the fork. And I'm just going to tap and then seal that. And then that's my first seal. To do the sides, what we do is we put our index fingers in like so, and you can see that creates these two flap areas. When I do that, I'm going to roll one of the flaps out of the way, and then I'm going to tap and roll, and then I'll flip that back up and move my fingers out of the way, and I'm going to tap and roll. So I'm tapping this edge and then rolling it against the heat. Let me slow that down on this side. So we're going to push our fingers in to create these two flaps. We're going to push one of the flaps out of the way, and again, I'm going to tap and roll, and then I'll kind of push that back up and move my fingers out of the way, tap, and roll. Perfect miter. So you can see here we've got our tab to open the tear strip, and that just slides right off. You can get everything you see here at our website at xopax.com, and you can see more tutorials on our YouTube page. Just search the word Xopax. Thanks.